We are talking about disembarkation. That is the day of the cruise when everybody is so sad because you're leaving the place that you've called home for the last 3 to 7 or 14 days. And someone's made your bed every day or twice a day. You've been eating 3 good meals a day. You went zip lining. You did salsa dancing. You've just done a bunch of stuff and you really don't want to leave. Was that too much? Because I never know when I'm being too much. So disembarkation, this is the saddest day of the cruise, but you gotta do it because in order to do another cruise, you have to get off this one, right? What disembarkation day is the day that you get off the ship and the crew member say goodbye to you and they have to get ready for a new ship, a new set of passengers and their embarkation day. Couple things to note for disembarkation day. If you want to get off the ship really early, then you do not want to give them your suitcases the night before and you want to check in with guest services to sign up for self-assisted disembarkation. So where you're self-assisted and you get off the ship on your own, you will have to take your own luggage with you, but you will get off the ship a lot earlier. So if you have an earlier flight, I would suggest this. Tip number 2 is pack early. If you are going to have the crew members take your suitcase for you, so you don't have to take it all through the disembarkation process, then pack early. You do not want to be that person that it's like 9 o'clock and you're supposed to get your stuff ready by 10 and you spread out all over your cabin, so you have to pick up everything and put them all together. Definitely pack early, or as you use something, pack it away. Packing cubes are wonderful for this because as you use an outfit, you can put it in a packing cube, put it in your suitcase, and then pack it away as you use them. So as you wear things, you are packing them right away and you don't have to worry about having everything spread around. The night before, what you'll get is a paper or a set of papers and luggage tags saying what number or color you are for disembarkation, and it'll give you the time associated with your number or color. And you usually have to have your bags out between 10 and midnight, but definitely have your bags out before then because you don't want your bag to be missed. So when you are packing your bags, make sure that you have a separate bag that you keep with you. You do not want to pack everything. When you pack your bag that you're keeping with you, you want to make sure you have super important things like your toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, face wash, a change of clothes to wear for that next day, pajamas possibly, and a bag big enough to hold everything once you are getting off the ship. Either this day or the night before, they will charge the credit card on file for all the purchases that you've made. You should also see the list of things that you purchased on your credit card. And I believe they do still give you a statement if you used cash, so you can kind of see what you have, what charges you have had on your account. You don't have to necessarily go at your designated time. You can always go later than your designated time if your flight is a little bit later, but there has been a point when we were on the ship and they announced, well, the last 8 passengers, please get off the ship, and we were 3 of them. So definitely get off the ship because you can't stay on there and they will hunt you down. Too much, or if I'm being too mellow. Some videos I feel like I'm so mellow and then I'm like, eh. Some videos I feel like I'm just like all over the place. Disembarkation. Moving like this. Day of the cruise. As you can tell, I'm not an actress.